Hey guys, so I know we're in 2021 and microphones and speakers have increased in performance dramatically and their sensitivity have been upped by a lot. But I just did something by totally accident today, and I just found out something by an accident and it was amazing. Let me just show it to you. Okay Google, how's the weather like today?
It will be partly cloudy, with a high of 27 and a low of 14.
Cool.
Right now it's 27 and partly cloudy.
It's great, right? Let me show you where the phone actually is. Where we are in the hallway. I'm just walking past to a different room right now, and the phone is actually here. Incredible, incredible. I know it has four microphones. I guess it has four or more. Not sure because I'm seeing a lot of microphone holes, and they say it's four. So I believe it's four, but nevertheless, it's incredible. The phone was locked, wasn't listening, and I just said, "Okay, Google, what's the weather like today?"
It's
Probably,
27
it's
and
actually
partly
said that now.
cloudy. Today it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of
Absolutely
27
mind-blowing.
and
So
a low
yeah,
of 14.
a pointless video, because I was absolutely mind blown. Cool. I'll see you guys later. Bye.